my dear lovely students. I, Rajni Mamgai, welcome you here at Physics Wala, and today we are just going to see all the best medical college in the Gulf countries, and we will see all the admission criteria, which exam you have to give to take the admission in these colleges. Let's see everything about these colleges. So we are just going to see the overview of the MBBS admission criteria, fee, duration, entrance exam for the top medical college in the Gulf countries. So first of all, let's talk about the colleges in the UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. So let's see. So the first college is the Gulf Medical University, Ajman. So duration is 5 years of this course. Approximately fee in INR, you can see approximately this much. Country rank 13, entrance exam NEET for the Indian students, so you have to appear for the NEET exam. Admission criteria: high school completion with science subject PCB and minimum 50% grade in the general category, 45 for this category. English proficiency test you have to give, that is IELTS and the TOEFL exam, right? Next, Dubai Medical College. So duration 6 years, approximately this much fee, and highly regarded in the UAE. NEET for the international school students, right? So again you have to appear for the NEET in order to get the admission in this college, and you have to give the English proficiency this test also. Next, the University of Sharjah. So 6 years, approximately this much fee per year INR. One of the top top medical universities in UAE, and NEET for the Indian students. Again this exam and English proficiency exam. Other colleges: RAK Medical and Health Sciences University, 6-year course, approximately this much fee, well regarded in UAE, and NEET for international students. Again you have to give the NEET exam for this, right? And then you have to give the English proficiency subject exam also, right? And now we will see now we'll explore all the medical college in Saudi Arabia, and we will see the criteria. So first is the King Saud university, right? 6 year, and then you can see the fee in the INR is this much, and in their currency this much. You can see top university in Saudi Arabia, local entrance. They have their local entrance exam and SAT for the international exam. They have their own exam, right? Next is high school completed with science subject. This is the admission criteria, minimum grade requirement, and English proficiency test will be, you have to appear for this test, and they have their own exam. Next, let's talk about the Qatar. So Qatar, we will see that Weill Cornell Medicine college is there, 6 year, and you can see the currency, their currency, and INR this is the currency, right? Prestigious affiliation with the Cornell University, and they have the exams SAT or ACT. So these are the exams, either you have to appear for SAT or for the ACT. High school completion with the science subjects, SAT and ACT scores, English proficiency exam. So you have to take up this exam also. Now we will be talking about the Oman. So Sultan Qaboos University, 6 year, and this is the fee in the OMR. In their currency, and this is the INR. Leading university in Oman, and local entrance, they also have their local entrance exam, and you have to appear for the TOEFL or this IELTS exam, right? Next, key documents required. So high school transcript and certificates you need, passport copies, you need proof of the English proficiency exam, IELTS or TOEFL score. Entrance exam scores, NEET, SAT, ACT if applicable. So you know that some colleges are taking admission on the basis of NEET score, some of them are taking on the basis of the SAT score, and some of them having the local entrance exam, some of them having the ACT exam, right? So personal statement and or the letter of recommendation, medical fitness certificates, these documents you are required in order to get the admission. So when we talk about the additional information, accommodation, most universities offer hostel facilities, scholarships. Some universities offer the scholarship based on your merit and the financial status. Living expenses varies by country and city, generally higher in the Dubai and the Doha, right? So this is about the topmost university or best universities in the Gulf countries where you can take the admission, and I have shown you the fee, and plus they are having the scholarship also. You can see in their website how much a scholarship they are giving on the base of these score in these exams. So kids, in case you need any other information, please write down in the comment box. Feel free to share it with your other friends who really want to do their MBBS from these colleges, from the colleges in the best colleges, medical colleges in the Gulf countries. Okay, so have a great day.